Okay, birthday kami sa Pinoy dito. Sa Opava. Kasama ko si Jao.
Yes.
Yan.
Hi.
May dala kami.
Ahoy.
So, punta kami dun sa Penny. Kina Mel. So, may daanan dito. Kaya,
Oh! Happy birthday!
naki-birthday ako rito sa kina Mel. Welcome to Opava. Mga Pilipino dito sa Opava. Yan si Mel, si Angelo, si Jao, si Macy, si Jen, si Lynn, si Benji, at ang aming birthday boy. Birthday boy! Si JV. Yan. Masaya naman kami rito. Kahit kukunti lang kami mga Pilipino dito sa Opava. At least nagkakaisa kami rito at nag-happy-happy rin. Kahit pa paano. So, mga Pilipino, yung mga pamilya niyo sa Pilipinas, baka nanood sa vlog. So, ibatiin nyo na.
Shout out!
Shout out! Wala pang sweldo. Wala pa ng sweldo. Mga pamilya sa Pilipinas, wala pang sweldo.
Huwag mo namin katakamusta, nakakabakan ako eh.
Ang handa ni JV. Niloto to ni Lynn. At saka itong, may cake pa si JV. Ganito na naman. Kunting kasayahan dito. Ganda ng cake ni JV, oh. Ang cute. Yan. Yan.
Salamat sa nagbigay,
Yun.
Talagang handang-handa na si Joe kumanta. Ano, Joe? Better process? Yan si Mel, kung gusto niyo, Mel, yung i-shoutout mo yung FB at saka yung TikTok.
Shoutout lang, Mel Renz.
I-attach ko yung kanyang channel. Yan.
Salamat sa pagbisita.
Jen, si Macy, i-attach ko yung kanilang Facebook page. Ayan. So, follow them if you want Filipino life in Czech Republic. Yan. Okay. Masaya, di ba? Kakaunti man, pero masaya.
Happy birthday, JV.
Happy birthday, JV. Ano, taga-ugas ka na dyan, JV?
Harap ka naman.
Thank you.
Ilan taon ka na, JV?
21 po.
Ikaw pala siya.
JV, 21 daw si JV, 21. Batang-bata, fresh na fresh.
Hindi, nagkasala para sa akin pa.
Yun.
Dapat kantahan mo na.
Kantahan mo na, Jao, yung better process mo.
Better process.
Happy birthday mo na kantahin mo, Jaan.
Ano, sana malasing mo kami.
South border pala ito.
Malasing mo kami.
South border pala kinakanta nito.
Taga-Kabit siya. Kahit makita na pre, kaya ako bigla ako nandito ako. Ano, tinago ko pre. Sorry. Naiya ko yung gari.
Ang ilo, makikita ka sa Pilipinas ito.
Video.
Nagko-comment na naman din yung bulso ko. Nag-comment yung sa video mo nun eh, no?
Yan na.
Nagkakasayahan yung mga Pinoy dito. Yan. Jao, say hi to your family.
Hi!
Okay. And si Mel.
Hi, hello.
JB, happy birthday!
Thank you.
Alam mo ba yung ano nga? From a mind to your soul, I will give it to you.
Bigyan mo na ito.
I will give to you. Kausap lang sa show between you and me until the break of dawn. No one else comes close. Pangako sa isa't isa, ngunit napatunayan mo pa na babalikan ka niya. Pinagtapat sa akin na siya'y mahal pa rin. Anong magagawa ko kung di ikaw ay palayan? Halos isumpa sa sakit na naidulot. Pero bakit ang katulad mo? Ngunit ako'y bigo. Sa pag-ibig ko sa'yo ako'y bilanggo. Tumingin sa salamin na alala lang nakalit.
Iyot na ako.
Why? mahal pa rin kita o niliw ko.
Sa pag-iingat di magtataga sa hirap at ginhawa ay ibig
Ang ating sumpaan
Dapat transferahin mo pala lang yung kanta mo para wala kang aga.
hanggang wakas ay magsasama, umulan, bumagyo. Ikaw marapat saan at siya'y dapat ko.
So I'm home. Sinundo ako ni Hana doon sa Opava. I'm home. Yeah. Thank you. Mel, Lynn, JV. Okay, thank you. Ciao, thank you. See you next time. First time niya makakita ng lama. Oh, paikot-ikot kami rito para magdumi. Nakadumi na siya. Tanghaling tapat. Dumumi. Alam ko pag gusto niya na magdumi, umiiyak na siya yung ganito, yung ibig sabihin nun, either iihi siya o dudumi siya. So kailangan na siyang ilabas. So dito kami sa field. Yan. Mayroong lama rito. Baby lama, doon din yung itim oh. At saka ito, nanay niya ata to. Ayan. Babae ito eh. Okay, Sisi, let's go home. Nakadumi ka na. Come on. Sisi, let's go. Okay. So, shout out sa lahat ng Pilipino rito sa Opava. Kay Mil, kay Lynn, kay JV, kay Binji, kay Rolly, kay Angelo, kay Jao. Yun. So, andito nga ako ngayon. Masyado na akong gabing nakauwi kagabi ah. So, pagising, at late na rin akong gumising. At ito, nag-aalaga kay Sisi. Saglit lang. Maganda kahit mainit kasi mahangin. Kaya yung init ay hindi gaanong masakit. Yun. Slowly. Look at that. Yun. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. Hannah just came home from work, and then Sophia, she came home around 2 o'clock afternoon from school. And then what did you do after that? Okay, here?
I don't know. I started training Sisi. No, wait. First I was on my phone, but then I took her outside. I went to the cellar. Because I was craving some compa.
Yeah.
So I was struggling for maybe 10 minutes to open it.
Okay.
So I had to watch a YouTube tutorial.
How to open the compote.
Yeah.
Preservative, right?
Yeah, it's preservative. It doesn't expire.
Right.
It only expires once you open it.
Okay. So Maminka made it.
Yeah.
And then preserve it for 1 year. Some there are only 2 years. And then if you want to eat, just go there, open one.
There's lots of in there.
Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, and then what else? Namaos ako sa kanta kagabi doon kina Mel.
Yeah.
Yung mga banat ng mga Pinoy doon, sinabayan ko yung mga kumanta tayo doon ng mga bed of roses. Kaya lang hindi pwedeng isama sa vlog kasi yung copyright nga. Yung iba sinasama ko pero pinutol-putol ko lang. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. And then, where's mommy now?
No idea.
Ready? I'm maybe upstairs.
But we're just relaxing. I'm on my phone. And like, it's almost the end, like on Friday. It's the last day of school this Friday.
This Friday? Yeah! And then, end of school year. And then next again
So
is
what happened
in September.
I'm gonna finally have peace, no work.
What plan do you have?
To go out with the girls.
Who's
and then,
girls?
like my cousins.
Mm-hmm.
And then also they're gonna come here. And also my friends are gonna come here in Radun. I invited them to go to the park. Like they already confirmed that they're coming. Going to maybe the swimming pool. And I heard that from 12 years old you can go by yourself to the swimming pool. You know, Kopaliще?
Yeah.
Where I always go. I know how I go there by myself to like swimming trainings.
Yeah.
So from age 12 you can go there completely by yourself.
So they were, how much the entrance?
I don't know. I think maybe cheaper as a kid.
Mm-hmm.
No idea.
Okay, but still, there are some kids with you don't know how to swim, right?
Yeah, but
So it's not safe for them. I don't think their parents would allow them to go. For you, it's okay.
For me, it's okay because I know how to keep. Even if I have a cramp, I know how to keep myself up. We did the first training was like, for example, if you had a cramp, you couldn't swim anymore. You can't stand anymore. You learn how to float.
Yeah, good.
Wash out.
Have you heard any word spitting cake? This, I named this spitting cake. Why spitting cake? I will show you why this one is spitting cake. They call this spitting cake kasi ganito. When you eat it, like this, right? Split the seed. What's this?
Cherry.
Cherry. But they did not remove the seeds of the cherry. Is that really supposed to be like that, or?
It's up to you.
Oh, okay. So I named this spitting cake. When you bite, make sure you don't break your teeth, because today I did not know about that. When I bit, really, I wasn't joking. So what is this? Then Sophia explained to me that it's a seed. Yeah. Namaos talaga ako. A bit of roses for tonight. Oh no. Thank you sa mga Pilipinong nag-invite sa akin. We really had good time last night. So, yeah. Darling, Hannah start from work. She's always busy at work. What are you eating, darling? Toasted bread with cheese. Ian?
NCC.
That's your dinner? Yeah. What else do you want to say, Kai?
Nothing more. I'm just on my holidays.
Holidays. Yeah, so thank you again sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay, pagsuporta, at sa mga Pilipino, again sa mga Pilipino dito sa Opava. Sana magkita-kita tayo ulit, magkatipon-tipon ulit, at alam niyo na, kakaunti lang tayo dito sa Opava. Dalas-dalasan natin pagka meron kayong day off. So again, salamat, at see you next time.
See ya.
See ya.